The compressor behind me achieves a design pressure of 80 bar with a high discharge pressure and displacement, mainly to meet the high pressure demands of cobalt mixing extraction in deep coal seam. The complete machine meets API 619 standards, which further extends the application scope of screw compressor in the chemical industry and provides reliable gas compression for oil and gas, petrochemical, and steel industries. It is self-balancing is achieved by a combination of oil pressure self-balancing and mechanical balancing, which effectively reduces vibration. The axis of the VI plunger is vertical to the displacement port to prevent sticking from impurity of friction, with a compacted size and lower maintenance cost. Under full load operation, the VI can be adjusted in real time based on flow and pressure change, suitable for a wide range of working conditions, such as cobalt mixing service.